How to log in to Clickbank. So basically you want to go to clickbank.com, and right here, if you use Google Chrome, you might have an issue with this. So basically, if you want to log in, you can click on the login button, which is located right here, and then you type in your email or account nickname and password. However, if you have issues with this, what I suggest doing is using another browser instead. So for Clickbank, I personally use Firefox. So again, you just want to go to clickbank.com, click on the login button in the top right corner, and then right here I have all my info saved. So if you click on login, then you are good to go. So this is your account, and before you actually start earning commissions, you have to go to accounts and then you create a nickname. So from here, after you have logged in and gone to accounts, you want to click on create a nickname, choose the account type, and you create a nickname following these requirements. And then after you have created a nickname, you can use this to track all of your sales. That's how you have officially logged in. So you log in, you go to accounts, you create a nickname, and that's how you have fully logged into Clickbank and can now start earning commissions. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.